Right, what's up, you guys? So as you guys know, we are home with COVID-19. There's no cure for COVID-19, but I decided to whip up a garlic lemon ginger drink, and all that is fresh ginger. This is 1/4 cup of fresh ginger, 4 garlic cloves, 1/4 of lemon juice, and then I'm going to add 8 cups of, distilled water. I'm gonna blend it all together, and then I'm going to boil it. I'm gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna drink on that. As you know, there's so many amazing benefits with garlic, lemon, and ginger. Obviously, it's not gonna cure us, but hopefully it's going to help reduce some of these symptoms. Added the garlic, add the ginger, add the lemon juice, and now we're gonna add the water. Adding the water. We are also going to add honey, which I forgot to add. So I went ahead and also added some turmeric because there's also amazing health benefits in that. And I added some more lemon. I've added 4 extra cups here because you need a total of 8 cups of mineral or spring water. I'm adding it all together, and then I'm going to let this boil. It is now boiling, so I'm going to turn off the heat and let it cool. So it has cooled down a bit, so now we are going to add them all into the mason jars. It's made 2 large mason jars and 1 tiny mason jar, and now we're about to give it a taste. So it's cooled down. You usually drink this first thing in the morning or before bed. I just have a little bit, and I also added some more fresh honey and some more fresh lemon. It's good, and you can definitely taste all the ingredients, and I can definitely tell it's going to help do the trick.